Hi everyone, I just got back from the grocery store where I got some deals. A lot of people will plan their grocery shopping trip based on what they want to eat. But if you want to really save money, you start with what you have in your house already, and then you go to the sales flyers and you look at what's on sale and how you can combine the sale prices with coupons, and that's how you really save money. Let me show you what I got in this week's grocery order. Now, you can't make a meal on any of this, but you can combine it with what's in your house and come up with some savings. I want to start with what I got over here. This is French's ketchup. Now, another thing that you need to do to save some money on your groceries is not be brand loyal. Um, I know some people who will not buy anything other than Heinz or their other favorite brand, but when you're going to save $3 or $4 on a bottle of ketchup, it just makes sense not to be brand loyal. So I got this French's ketchup for, I believe it was $2.75. Let me just take a look at the receipt. French's ketchup, no, $2.97, and it was $4.50. So I got 3 bottles of that to put up on the shelf. I've got 3 containers of Old Dutch laundry liquid detergent, and it does 150 washes. And I bought 3 bottles, so yeah, that's about a year's worth of laundry soap. So I don't even have to think about that anymore. That was on sale for $6.97, and it was on sale for. It was regularly priced $11.49. So pretty good deal there. Saved about $15. Yeah, I think. Anyway, good savings. Bananas, got them regularly priced. I think they're $2.75 for a very large bunch of bananas. Christmas is coming up. I do baking a lot, and cream cheese was on sale, and the cream cheese was $2.47, regularly priced at $3.97. So that was a nice little savings. And the yogurt. Get this receipt out of the way. So the yogurt, I got 2 different kinds. I like to use the plain yogurt as a replacement for sour cream in baking, and I'll even put it on a baked potato. It's very good. And sometimes I want to sweeten it up, so I use a little maple syrup that we make on our family's farm. The vanilla yogurt was on sale, and I paid. What did I pay for that? The yogurt. The yogurt was $2.80. No, $2.98. It was regularly priced at $3.79. Here's where I used a coupon on this yogurt here. I had Dairy Farmers of Canada coupon for $1 off. So I used 4 of those coupons. So I saved $4 in total on the yogurt, which was nice. This wasn't on sale, but with the coupon taking it to $2.98 instead of $3.98, I thought that was pretty good. And this took the coupon took it down to under $2, so that was great. The crackers, we don't eat a lot of crackers, but at Christmas time it's nice to have crackers, so I bought them to set them aside. And those were a good price too. They were on sale for $1.67, and they were regularly priced at $3.28, so that's pretty good. Produce is very expensive, and it's getting even more so as the winter months approach. And there was a 3-pack of romaine lettuce on, and it was a crazy expensive price before. It was $7 for 3 heads of romaine lettuce. That was before the sale price, and then the sale price was $3.88. And finally, a bag of golden yellow sugar. Use it for baking. And, I don't often buy it because I often make my own brown sugar. You can achieve that by taking white sugar and mixing in a little bit of molasses. And the more molasses you add, the darker the sugar becomes. So, but that's pretty much all brown sugar is added molasses. So you can make your own easily, but for convenience, I bought this time. So taking a look at the receipt in total, let's see. So I think you can see that the total was $84.35, and there were $4 off in coupons, as you can see. Without the sale price, this would have come to more than close to $119. So it's a savings of just over $34. So $34 in my pocket is worth it to me to take the time to look through the flyers, see what's on sale, see what I need, and stock up on. Because why pay full price if you don't have to? I refuse to pay full price for anything. If I don't have to, I'm not going to spend it. Groceries and other household expenses like laundry detergent are way too expensive now to be paying full price. I've been tracking prices for about a decade now, and I can tell you that over the last several years, prices on groceries have more than doubled on many items. They say that grocery prices are up 20% or so. I can tell you that is not the case. Doubled in price on many things. I would never have paid close to $4 for yogurt a couple of years ago. I would have paid $2 for that, and now it's close to $4 when it's not on sale. Sometimes it's $6 and $7 for yogurt. That's crazy, crazy prices. Won't pay it. And if you want to keep following me for more tips and tricks on how you can save money, I'd be happy to share what I know with you. I know there's a lot of people who know a lot more than me, but I think I know a few things that might be able to help you out if you're interested. So thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.